during a public rally in Belgavi in Karnataka, the Prime Minister has launched a scathing attack on Rahul Gandhi. He has turned into the Congress leader in his remark where he says that the Rajas and Maharajas used to take away the lands. The Prime Minister said that Congress's Shehzada doesn't speak a word on the atrocities committed by the Nawabs, the Nizams and the Sultans and the Badshahs of the erstwhile India. Quickly listening into the attack that he made against Rahul.
आपने कांग्रेस के शहजादे का एक ताजा बयान जरूर सुना होगा। ये शहजादे का कहना है कि भारत के राजा, भारत के महाराजा ये अत्याचारी थे, ये गरीबों की जमीन छीन लेते थे, जब मर्जी पड़े तब उनका सब हड़प कर लेते थे। कांग्रेस के शहजादे ने छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, कित्तूर की रानी चिन्नम्मा जैसे महान व्यक्तित्व का अपमान किया है। इनका सुशासन, इनकी देशभक्ति आज भी हम सभी को प्रेरित करती है। जरा शहजादे को पता है क्या मैसूरू राजघराने का योगदान? उनको याद नहीं रहा। मैसूरू राजघराने को आज पूरा देश गर्व के साथ देखता है कि नहीं देखता है। साथियों, कांग्रेस के शहजादे का बयान सोच समझकर वोट बैंक की राजनीति करने के लिए, तुष्टीकरण के लिए दिया गया बयान है। याद रखिए, शाहजादे ने राजा महाराजा को बुरा भला कह दिया, उनकी तो आलोचना कर दी, लेकिन भारत के इतिहास में जो अत्याचार नवाबों ने किए, निजामों ने किए, सुल्तानों ने किए, बादशाहों ने किए, उसकी बात पर तो शाहजादे के मुंह पर ताला लग जाता है, बोलती बंद हो जाती है और राजा महाराजाओं को गालियां दे रहे हो, उनको अपमानित करते हो। कांग्रेस को औरंगजेब के अत्याचार याद नहीं आते, जिसने हमारे सैकड़ों मंदिरों को तोड़ा, अपवित्र किया। कांग्रेस तो औरंगजेब का गुणगान करने वाली पार्टियों के साथ खुशी से गठबंधन करती है। इनको वो लोग याद नहीं आते जिन्होंने देश भर में हमारे तीर्थों को तहस नहस किया, लूटपाट की, हत्याएं की, गौ हत्याएं की। इनको वो नवाब याद नहीं आए जिन्होंने भारत के विभाजन में बहुत बड़ी भूमिका निभाई।
Belly Thomas on the telecast. Sudhi, Belly, give us details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has once again attacked Rahul Gandhi. He has pitched Rahul Gandhi, called him a Shehzada and made comparisons to the erstwhile Nawabs and the Nazims of the Nizams of the country, who took land, who took resources, who took property from the people, from the common man, and something similar that was being done allegedly by the Congress after having proposed the wealth distribution survey.
Prime Minister Modi has struck a chord with the people of Belgavi, the Kannadigas of Belgavi, whom he knows that have high regard for the kings that ruled the province earlier. And the Prime Minister has, in fact, called Rahul Gandhi the Shehzada of Congress, had insulted the great personalities such as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Kittur Rani Chennamma, who are very famous in the southern state for their governance and patriotism, which keeps still the local politicians and the politics motivated. Like he also gave the Prime Minister also gives a reference to the Mysore, the contributions of the Mysore royal family, whom the entire country is proud of. But the statement made by the Congress, the reason that the Congress that they will thoughtfully make certain decisions only to appease their vote banks is what Prime Minister Modi highlighted in a speech in Belagavi. He also said that when it comes to speaking about the atrocities committed by the Nawabs, Nizams, and Sultans and Badshahs, the Congress mouth would be shut, and they wouldn't utter a word around it, but they will. That is for their vote banks. That is meant for appeasing their vote banks, they say. And he also gives a reference. The Prime Minister Modi also gives a reference about the ruler Aurangzeb, who was responsible for destroying thousands of temples, and pointed out that the Congress formed alliances with parties who praises Aurangzeb. So, like he kept talking about how Aurangzeb destroyed the pilgrimage sites and looted the wealth in the south, and even killed cows, Megha.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.